Alright, let me try this again. This side, I'm on the front side now of the ship, as you can see. The elevators aren't really being used because nobody's really boarding on the front side. So let's try going down, I guess. Let's see elevator we're getting this one. There's nobody on it too, which I like. There we go. Let's go down to 1. Actually. Let's see if anybody's on here. Oh, it stinks in here.
Deck 2.
Oh, for Christ's sakes. Alright, next time. It should be deck 12. I hope so. There we go. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Deck 12, we made it.
Deck 12.
All the way up to the top. That's a no. Alright, let's watch these doors close. Also, doors close works really well. It works really nicely, man. I like that. Alright, so let's go down to deck 2, not 1. Because, we'll avoid issues.
Deck 2.
Here we go. Let's go back to deck 12. Let's go up watching this side. I'm gonna be right here watching it.
Deck 12.
Watch this. That leveling though. It's amazing. Let's go down to 2. Now we're gonna watch out the window as we go down. There we go.
Deck 2.
So this place is really isn't crowded. And let's go back up to 12 again. Let's look at the window again. Oh!
Deck 1.
Oh, shh. I did not press that. I guess someone pressed 1 by accident. Come on. That's weird. Okay. Now we're going off 12, I guess. I don't know what the heck that was. A little glitch. Well, that was weird, but nothing's perfect. Things that we build eventually go to waste someday.
Deck 12.
That's the Solarium, by the way, and there's the Brilliance of the Seas on there. And by the way, this is the Independence. Let's go down to 1 more time. We're gonna look at this side now as we go down to 1. These go at a really good speed. Better than most hotel elevators that I've been on.
Deck 1.
12. The close works really well. I'm happy because of that. Now I'll just look like this. Let's see the whole thing if we can. There we go. This is what I'm talking about, man. No interruptions at all.
Deck 12.
Alright, there we go. And I don't know where we're gonna go. It's not going anywhere. Alright, so this is how the glass elevator looks on deck 12. And we're in Mexico right now, so we're docked. So I'm glad I was able to show you this. You know what? Let's go down to 2 and look down here as we go down. Now show it going up. Next up is 12. I can't do it right now. These are really nice elevators, man.
Deck 2.
These are really nice. 12 door close. Perfect. Look at this old picture, 2008. This ship has been changed. Let's go all the way up now. Probably not looking beautiful as always.
Deck 8.
Oh shoot, someone caught it.
Deck 11. Deck 12.
That's all I gotta show. Let me get in here.
Yes. You guys
Right there. Alright. What's his name?
Going down.
right there, you did it with the cone thing, it worked out well.
There that goes. All the way down there. Oh, hold on. Let me catch this real quick. I can catch one of these. Alright, let me catch one of these, I guess.
Going down.
Let's go all the way down to 2, not 1. Alright. Whoa, that drop is more intense than the glass ones. This one has a mirror, this one's
Deck
square.
8.
What's with 8, man? Come on.
Down.
Too slow. Don't care. You should be more. You should watch the elevators. Don't walk off. Pay attention next time.
Deck 2.
Let's watch the leveling right here. Really nice. Let's go to deck 12. Gotta see these are a little more peaceful. Watch the indicator, I guess.
Deck 12.
Ooh, that leveling is so intense.
Going down.
Taking it down to deck 2 one more time, and I'm gonna go up. To end the video, I'm running out of battery.
Deck 2.
Alright, I gotta pause it. Yeah, I had to save space. My phone's pretty low on space right now. So every minute every second counts of me pausing it. Oh, 10 more seconds left of recording. Alright, watch it close. And I am done.